Namaste everybody. Today I have a very exciting video for you because this will help me enhance my video quality to the next level because we have today the DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo. And this comes with the camera, 3 batteries, a battery case, an extension rod, locking screws, a protective frame, a curved adhesive base, adapter mount, normal size, adapter mount, mini size, and the type C cable. This is the adventure combo, and I'm a big fan of combos because I also purchased the DJI Pocket 3 creator combo, which I'm recording through right now, and I have a collection of cameras which were pretty old, I would say, and this is a serious upgrade along with the Pocket 3. A quick recap of all the cameras that I owned and used for content creation. So this is the DJI Action 2. So it's a really small camera, lightweight, easy to carry around, really stealthy, and the battery pack is detachable. The only problem I have with this is just with the camera module, the battery is very poor, dies so quickly. Maximum I'll get an hour and a half out of this, that too on the lowest setting, which is 24 fps 1080p power saving mode. But the image quality is pretty good, pretty decent, usable for Instagram, sometimes usable for YouTube if you're not using the power saving video mode. Next is the Insta360 X2 I have because I got it at a very sweet deal on Flipkart. This is the X2. Screen is really small, really difficult to control. The quality is really good on this, gives me really usable 360 footage. Easy to use via my phone, and not many complaints with this. It's a good camera. Only problem I have with this is I'm really scared about the lenses, so I have to use these lens covers that sometimes kind of spoils my video quality. And then my old reliable sweet DJI Action 3. This is such a cute camera. It was always there with me, helped me create all my crazy content that actually has good views, and it's such a reliable camera. I would still use it, and I'm planning to use it with my backpack mount, which I clip onto my backpack strap, and I can get like some good POV footages with this. Really reliable, really good, still usable, still love it, gonna continue using it. I'm just keeping the Action 4 just in case I need night footage, but this is still gonna be my main camera. Also, I don't want to damage my new camera, that's why. So getting into movement you all have been waiting for, unboxing my DJI Action 4 Adventure Combo to see what all we get in this. Where's my knife? So let's go straight into unboxing it without damaging the box much. Yep. Let me unbox it for you in front of you. So this is the packaging with some graphics here. This is the back. There are all the mentions on it. There's the camera. Looks pretty similar, I think, to my Action 3. No. Here's the seal. Seal is off, so you can confirm it's a brand new piece from Blinkit. soon as you open it, you get this view. Have the accessories and the camera in two separate boxes, just like the Action 2. You can go and check out the Action 2 unboxing video on my channel. Let's start with the camera, I think, because you all want to see the camera. It's a really cute box, as always, like DJI always does. Okay, so you get the camera, this really good cover, and you get the cage, really good cover. Let's unbox those two to show it to you. So I'm keeping this video just as a product display because I will get into the quality and stuff and a comparison also in a separate video. So this is just an unboxing and product showcase. This is the camera. It's really light, man. I think it's lighter than the Action 3. Wow. But let's check the size difference. Oh, there's no battery in it, maybe that's why it's so light. So this is the size difference of both the cameras. Hope you can get a good view of it. Almost same dimensions, I think, right? Yeah, they're pretty much the same dimensions. Just that the Action 4 seems to be just more sleeker than the Action 3. That was just a basic side-to-side comparison of the dimensions. Getting into opening the cage. The screws for helmets and mounts, and these are the mounts. These are the mounts. One adhesive mount and one regular DJI mount. But wait, I thought I had a mini mount too. So yeah, the cage and the screws and the mounts and the camera in one set. Moving on to the accessories, which I'm really more interested in. Oh, so it also comes with this really crazy quality stick extension rod. Wow, this is really good quality, man. And so long too. Woo, nice, man. I didn't know it was this long. Crazy. Wow. Quality is so good on this. So good. So good. The accessories now. Let's go through it one by one. As usual, C-type, which I really like. The C-type quality is really good. Okay, here's the other mount. Nigga, which is the mini mount, bro? They both look like big. Why would you call one of them a mini mount when they're not? Okay, this is the mini mount and this is the big mount. But why would it be so tall? Don't get it. Maybe it's for the selfie stick. What else do we have? Ooh. Ooh, stickers. Okay, another lens, right? And this is the battery pack. And these are some papers, stickers, really cute stickers. Damn, this looks good, bro. Crazy sticker. But I don't know why they didn't give me the standard DJ sticker also. They should have included that too. So you have these pads. I don't know for what these pads are, but yeah, you have a pad and an extra lens on it. And I think the batteries are in this. Wait, let me just check if this got a battery in it. So yeah, there's no battery in this. This is the power module. I thought it's gonna be bigger, but it's really small and really good, really cute. Whoa. Look at this. It lights up when you open it. You got like 3 batteries in it. It's like a gun. So yeah guys, these are all the accessories and stuff I got. What my DJI adventure combo. So for the comparison and to check out the video quality of this camera, subscribe because a new video is dropping soon. Until then, take care and keep creating.